I miss you. Mexico. How's Mexico? How's your vacation? Huh? Do you miss Mamita? Mamita? Do you miss Mamita? How's your vacation, Cara?
No, you're lying.
How's your vacation?
So cute.
Parang may nung siya si Jim Will.
Say hi! Hi, everybody! I'm here again. How's your vacation? Hi, beautiful. Smile, smile.
Asa kisa sabi ni? Asa kisa sabi ni mga alien?
Sabi niya mga alien.
Dagan mga alien diri lagi.
Ay, katawa niya. Ah, bulaga. Ah, at katawa niya. Oh, bulaga. Clara lang.
I miss you so much. Say hi.
Ading, 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 ading. Ang katawa, oh. Ading.
Siya na naman yung title kay malakay naman no. Nag-iba ko.
Iba na. Ang katawa, ah. Katawa, ah. Ading, ading,
I miss you.
miss me.
I miss you, Mamita.
Ading ka.
How's your honeymoon?
3 hours. Yeah, when I called. Yes. That was a what? We were expecting an hour, so when I got here, there's been an hour. Same. And then I couldn't reserve it over the phone.
Oh, really?
Tapos ano na kami all inclusive. So isa lang ang bayan.
Ah,
Tapos ano na tanan
so
food,
did you
everything.
enjoy for 1 day?
Yes.
Everyone by so fast. Yeah, very fast, no? 1 day. So yeah. Tagal ang waiting. 1 hour waiting? So, asa man gusto mo? Ay, 1 hour day ang waiting. Okay lang kay busog. Tama-tama. Again?
Again, I don't know.
Tagal na sila.
Para sa may ilaw.
Ano? Lolo. Lolo. Mamita, mamita. Mamita, mamita.
Mamita, mamita.
Lulululululululululu. Ah. Lulululululu.